it's too hot, y'all, to be wearing anything in my face down or whatever. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all an easy, quick and easy protective style. So let's hop right into it. Hey y'all, it's Randy. Welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be, a simple, easy, quick video. I'm gonna be showing you guys a easy protective style that you could do for your hair. I have been very lazy. Honestly, I haven't been wanting to do my hair. It's been really hot down here in Florida and I don't want to have my hair down. So today I think I'm gonna be doing a low sleek ponytail. Usually I like to put my hair up into a bun, but we're gonna do something different today and see how we like it. I am gonna be using some other people's hair. Meaning I'm gonna be adding hair to my hair, and I know you guys are probably like, why are you gonna add hair? Sometimes you just want it to be a little bit longer, just give it some extra. My hair has already been washed and deep conditioned, and I have my leave-in. You guys know I apply my leave-in while I'm in the shower, and I did use the Intense Moisturizing Leave-In from Texture ID. I love this leave-in, even though it's a spray leave-in. It's lightweight, but it's very moisturizing for my hair. So it is still wet. I like to work on my hair when it's wet because it's easier to manipulate. Even when I'm putting it into protective styles, it's a lot easier to get my hair to do what I want it to do and for it to act the way that it's supposed to act. Because y'all, sometimes my hair is very she has a mind of her own. She's very trifling sometimes, so I like to keep my hair wet when I'm doing any style, because other than that, honey, she is just not gonna cooperate. So I'm gonna be giving myself a side part. Y'all always ask me where I get this brush from that you guys always see me using. It's a Tangle Tamer, and I got it from Sally's. I think it was like $1 or something like that. I grabbed it to use it to shampoo my hair, but it also works well to detangle my hair as well, so I use it for that. But now I'm going in with the Texture ID styling cream. If you guys can see, I love this cream because it's very thick and moisturizing, very creamy. And anytime I do protective styles, I like to have thick and creamy products to keep my hair moisturized while it is up. So I'm just gonna put that on all over my head. My hair is still pretty wet, so I don't need to spray it down yet, but if I do, y'all know I got my water bottle on deck. I love using the Texture ID cream because, like I said, it's very moisturizing, but y'all, it definitely smells like cardboard, or it's terrible. The smell of this is just beyond ugh, but like I said, it's so moisturizing. And of course, I'm gonna be going in with my Wetline Extreme to sleek it down. These two, I have a video on my channel using these two as a combo, and I got a 7-day wash day out of these two, so this is bad. Go in with my dinner brush to really make sure it is sleek, no tangles. That is really going to ensure your hair lays down and stays very sleek, just like if you was doing the wet look. I also have a video for that if you want to check it out. I'll link it in the description box below. And I'm just gonna be taking a hair tie. I like to double it and just put in my hair in a low ponytail. Alright, y'all, so I changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave my hair out. Matter of fact, so this is what my ponytail is looking like right now, y'all. Sleekness. Okay, I'm telling y'all, that Wetline Extreme Gel be coming through in the clutch. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just leave my hair out, because adding other people's hair to my hair right now, it's really not gonna make a difference. But I'm gonna add some more cream and then some more of the Texture ID cream, and then go in with my ponytail, put some of the wet line in my ponytail like I would be doing wash and go, just to really make my curls pop and stay. This is where we are right now with just the cream. I'm telling y'all, that cream is legit. So I'm just gonna take it in sections, just like I would a wash and go, and just apply some of the Texture ID cream. Now I did not put, the Texture ID, the Wetline Extreme Gel. Now my ponytail is I can't talk today. My ponytail is not tight, y'all. Don't be walking around with these extra tight ponytails, killing yourselves. Plus it's doing nothing but putting more tension on your hair, for one, and it's giving you a headache, for two, so don't even. Y'all see how that just clump it together so good? That's what I want. The Texture ID mousse on here. And then take some more. I'm very particular about my flyaways, so I really want those to be slicked down too. So just take a little bit of the mousse to put it up here. Then it'll also get your waves popping and your curls popping. Y'all can see. Take a little bit of oil. I like to put oil in my parts because I don't like my parts to be looking crusty. So just dab that right on up in there. Then I'm gonna tie my hair down for it to mold. Quick, easy hairstyle. I know this was supposed to be a different hairstyle, but you know, sometimes when you're doing your hair, you change your mind, and that's what happened. I didn't feel like putting the weave in my hair, so I just used my own hair. But still quick and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down, and once everything dries, I'll come back and let you guys see the finished product.